God, that chain is dull. No, it's just... So, the chain is pretty dull from what you could see. I wasn't going to spend the time and try and actually get through the log because, well, not exactly doing anything productive. If I had to cut wood, I'd make an attempt at it. But, yeah, I'm just glad it runs. And I spent a lot of time trying to get this thing going and finally got it running. And I'm pretty glad that it works. It's a really old saw, 1960 something, Sears. Besides the paint job, it's in pretty decent condition. It's a little dirty right now, as you can see, because I was just cutting some wood. But yeah, I don't think it's too bad of a saw. Like I said, besides the chain. But yeah, thanks for watching.